Good morning, children. Children, in today's video, we will start exercise 6.5, that is word problem based on division. So here many word problems are given, children. We will discuss and then you will also solve the left word problems in your rough copy. Okay, so let's start with the question number 1, exercise 6.5. A group of 72 people went for boating. 8 persons can sit in one boat. How many boats were hired? So how many boats do you need when there are 72 people and in one boat only 8 persons can sit? Okay. So how many boats you will require? So you have to find it. So write the statement. Total number of people. How many people are there? 72. Right here 72. Number of persons on each boat. On one boat, how many persons can sit? Only 8. Okay. In the first boat, 8 will sit. On the second boat, next 8 will sit. On the third boat, again only 8 will sit. So in this way, how many boats do you need? Okay. So there are equal number of persons are sitting on each the boat. No. So we will do here division because we are dividing equal number of persons. So we will divide this 72 and 8. So 72 divided by 8. Number of boats hired 72 divided by 8. Here no need to do long division because table of 8 we can read and we will get 72. You read the table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, then 8 eights are 64 and 8 nines are 72. So we are getting the 72 in 9 times, no? So our answer is 9. So you need 9 boats. So 9 boats will be hired. Okay. Now question 4. The cost of 6 dolls. Dolls you know, na? Yes, we play with dolls. The cost of 6 dolls is rupees 720. Find the cost of 1 doll. Okay. So all the dolls are having same amount, same money, same cost. So the cost of 6 dolls when we are going to purchase, we need to pay 720 rupees. So what is the cost of only 1 doll? So again you can think that if we will purchase only 1 doll, so it will cost less, no? So again we will do here division. Write the statement. Number of dolls 6. Total cost, how many cost? What is the cost? Rupees 720. So the cost of 1 doll, it will be less, no? So we are doing here division. 720 divided by the 6. Now we cannot get in the table of 6 the 720, no? So we need to do here long division. Okay? You need to show here division. So you will do the division. So mark here the sign. Write 6 divisor, 720 dividend. Now 6 ones are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Now you copy this digit 2. So we have number 12. Now 6 table, you need to get 12. So 6 2s are 12. Right here 6 2s are 12. Okay. Now you subtract. 12 minus 12 is 0 0. Now you copy this digit 0. Now 6 table, you need to get 0. So 6 table, definitely we will apply here 0, na? 6 zeros are 0. So our answer is, our quotient is rupees 120. Because no more digits are there, so division stops. So your cost is rupees 120. So 1 doll will cost 120. Okay. To the next question, children. A group of 635 students was divided into 5 groups. In a school, there are 635 students and we are making 5 groups. Okay. Group A, Group B, Group C, Group D, Group E, like that. So how many students were there in each group? So in one group, how many students will be there? As we are dividing equal number of students in each group. Okay. So we are dividing the students equally, no? So we will do here division. You need to find how many students were there in each group. In one group, how many students are there? Write the statement. total students. How many students are there? 635 right here. And how many groups are there? 5 groups. So you write number of groups, that is 5. Now how many students were there in each group? So write number of students in each group. So you will do division, divide these two numbers because we are dividing equal number of students in each group. So divide these two numbers, write here 5, write here dividend 635. Now you know division, we cannot get 6 in the table of 5, so we will apply 5 ones are 5. Now 6 minus 5 is 1, copy this 3, 13. Now 5 table, you will not get 13, so you will apply 5 to the 10. Okay, because 5 3 is 15, you cannot apply, 15 is more than 13 now. So 5 2 is 10. Now again you subtract, 3 minus 0 is 3, 1 minus 1 is 0. Now you copy this digit 5 in the next step, your number is 35. Now 5 table, 35. So 5 7s are 35. Now you subtract, we are getting 0 0. No more digits, so our division stops. So in each group there will be 127 students. Okay, in group A 127 students, in group B 127 students, in the same way. Okay, so in all the groups there will be 127 students. So you write your answer here, 127. Move to next question number 7. 10 children collected rupees 1250 for the Poor Relief Fund, that is a charity. All of them contribute an equal amount. So how much did each child contributed? Okay, each child has contributed equal amount. Again there is equal sharing, no? Equal amount they are means collecting. So again we will do here division. Okay, write here statement. Number of children, how many? 10 children, no? And total amount collected 1250. Now contribution of each child. So again they are contributing the same amount, equal amount. So we will do here division. So we are dividing these two numbers, rupees 1250 by 10. Now children, you remember the property when we divide any number by 10. Okay. So when we divide any number by 10, so this digit at the ones place is your remainder and the leftover digits, this number is your quotient. Okay. So I think you remember that when we are dividing with 10, so our this 125 is the, yes, this number is your quotient. 125 is your quotient and 0 is the remainder. Okay. Now write your answer. So rupees 125. Because 0 is remainder, no need to write. So we are writing here the quotient only, na? Quotient is the answer. So rupees 125 is the answer. So each child is contributing rupees 125. Question number 10. 968 oranges were packed equally. Again you look at here the word equally. Again equal sharing, no? 968 oranges were packed equally in 8 boxes. So in each box there are equal number of oranges. How many oranges are there in each box? Were there some oranges left unpacked? क्या कुछ orange बच गया है? You have to find it out. Again you write the statement. So how many oranges are there? 968. And how many boxes are there? There are, yes, 8 boxes. Right? Number of oranges 968. Number of boxes, that is 8 boxes, no? Write here 8. Number of oranges in each box. As there are equal number of oranges now, so we will again do here division. Now divide 968 by this 8. You do here division. In the table of 8, you cannot get 9. So we will apply 8 ones are 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Now you copy this digit 6 in the next step. So we are getting number 16. Now 8 table you have to get 16. 8 2s are 16. You apply 8 2s are 16. Now you subtract here. You are getting 0 0. Now copy this digit 8 here. Now 8 table you have to get 8. So 8 ones are 8. And 8 minus 8 is 0. Okay. Now no more digits are there. So our division stops. Your quotient is 121. That is the answer. Means in each box there are 121 oranges. Clear? So you write here answer 121. Now children, you have to give the answer of this second question. Were there some oranges left unpacked? क्या कोई orange बच गया है? So look at here. The remainder is 0, no? Remainder is only the leftover number. So remainder is 0. Means there are no oranges left unpacked. Clear? So children, to the home assignment, you have to solve exercise 6.5, question number 3 and question number 9 by your own. And these questions which we have solved, these word problems you will note down in your notebook. And these two questions you will do by your own. Okay. In the next video, I will send the solution. You need to check it. Till then children, take care, goodbye and stay safe. Thank you.